Hello YouTube and people of the interwebs, welcome back to this week's quick initial reaction and thoughts of Doctor Who episode 9, Ascension of the Cybermen, written by Chris Chibnall, the first part in the long-awaited two-part series finale to series 12, and wow, I have so much to talk about, which you can fully see my breakdown of in my later tonight video where I'll properly review and look at what's just happened. But wow, that ending was like, wow, like, yeah, obviously spoilers, but the Master's back, and he's definitely going to be a main character, a main part of next week's episode, which is a massive positive, because I'm going to go out there and say it now, this might be controversial or whatever, but I'm pretty sure Sacha Dhawan is my favourite Master, if not my favourite villain of Doctor Who ever, because John Sim has always been my favourite TV villain, and Sacha Dhawan, with his performance, his energy, his everything, has sort of overtaken that. So that is the one thing Series 12 has done better than any other series of Doctor Who. And also the new Cybermen design looks so good. Only slight issue, the stomping. Lose the stomping, guys. You can hear the Cybermen coming from miles away. It's unneeded. Also, like, there's so many things to think about. Ko-Sharmus, I think that was the guy's name that they thought was a planet. Who's he and what sort of role is he going to play? And Gallifrey, like, how does why is that there? Like, obviously I'm going to need to rewatch to fully grasp what the hell's actually going on. But what is Gallifrey, like, doing there? And is this all the Master's plan? Because this is now the third finale, so they skip one where we have the Master and the Cybermen back at it again, destroying the universe. So yeah, also that everything you think you know is going to change, or whatever he said in the next time trailer. What does this mean? Like, what's going to happen? Are the companions going to die? Is one of them going to die? Like, also, are Graham and that woman, Julie Graham, who I thought would be the Doctor, but that was just completely wrong. Are Graham and her going to get together and have a happy ending? Are they going to, like, nearly get together, then one of them be killed next week? Something like that I think could happen. But anyway, I'll wrap up my overall thoughts. I thought the episode itself was really quite good. There were a few pacing issues, I'd say. It got a little bit dull in the middle. Also, like, obviously I know we're supposed to have all these enigmas and questions to ask, but could there have been a few too many, and a few too many set up by the series? Like, what is actually going on at this point? And is Ruth going to be explained? The Timeless Children? Are the Doctor and the Master the Timeless Children? Like, there's so much that needs answering. But overall, I've got to say, the plot was solid, not perfection, nowhere near as good as The Doctor Falls, but still a really solid Doctor Who episode. But I feel like the finale is going to overtop it, and I feel a lot of controversy coming on, because what is the finale going to bring? What is going to confuse and divide all Whovians even more? Like, will there be a quarter of the fandom left? Because after Jodie Whittaker was announced as the Doctor, the fandom split. Now it might split again into a quarter, but who knows? Like, there's so much that can happen. And yeah, what I've got to say is this is 10 times better than the Battle of Ranskorav Kolos or that rubbish from Series 11. Like, even if the questions are, hang on, what was that? I'll need to rewatch that. What? Like, it's people are talking about Doctor Who again. It's properly good, and for that, thank you Chibnall and co. Anyway, that does bring us to the end of my quick initial thoughts reaction. Please do check out my later video. See you whenever. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Goodbye.